tell us, where have you just been? Where have you just been?
You know, I lived this area for 15 years. So I know every spot of this area. So this spot
it all looks the same to me. What's that in your mouth here?
This is a leaf. This tree here, this tree here can bend, can destroy the acids in the stomach acids.
You've got a handful,
yes, this is a special tree. You can't get it in Beatrice or in Harare. It's only found here in Masvingo. So that's why I stopped here. It's a very special tree.
And for me, everything along here, like we're on a long stretch of road and it kind of all looks the same, but yeah, Forward knew where we were and he's got his medicine.
Yes.
I'll let you drive. I'm going to ask you some questions, Forward,
Yes.
so that people get a little bit of an idea about what this project is we're working on.
Yes.
I've been recording you
Yes.
and loads of other top Mbira players
Yes.
every day
Yep.
for hours.
Yes.
And what are we going to do with those recordings?
Start our project, our special project that will benefit both the Mbiras and you, and this is I feel like this is gonna be so special to everyone. It's sort of a win-win situation to everybody. People are gonna get the special music that you are now going to share with everyone in the whole world. And this has been, I think, people have been waiting for this for years to get this kind of special sharing of best music from the best musician.
I'm breaking down everything that Forward's playing. Some of you might not know me. I've written a few books about Mbira already, and I'm really moved that they've been so well received by. I've had praise from academics around the world and experienced musicians, non-Zimbabwean Mbira players are coming to me and saying, I wish I had this when I first started to play Mbira. It's a real privilege for me being able to come and meet this guy and talk about Mbira, play Mbira, record his Mbira. I'm getting performances where I'm the only one there, and it's really moving. We want to share all of these recordings with you and just keep adding more recordings to this bucket. So as soon as we get enough people involved, then the project becomes alive, and what will start to thrive then is our relationship, your musicianship and knowledge and understanding. You'll have access to recordings that you can't get anywhere else, and that body of recordings is just going to carry on growing, the body of notation as well. So you're going to be feeding something that feeds you and puts food on the table for folk in Zimbabwe as well. We've selected 5 players to start off with that we want to transform their lives. But as the project grows, then we'll be able to benefit the lives of so many others. Right now, the economic situation here is quite bad. I've experienced it going into a shop one day, buying something, a couple of days later going to buy it, and it was double the price. But for you, things have gone up like 10 times the price so quickly. So I mean, it's not a sad thing right now that we're together. It's amazing, and my investment in this is that I get to work with this guy, an incredible opportunity for me. I get to focus on Mbira music, and which I'm clearly passionate about, And for forward, what's in it for you?
For me, that's my passion for life. This Mbira music, and it's very much my pleasure to be sharing across borders this music, what I have, and I know that many people are waiting for this to happen, because I know I've experienced it during my times outside countries, and what a privilege to have met you, my friend, and now we are making this happen to everybody, and I can see everyone being so touched and happy, and with this sharing, everyone is going to be moved, and the more we grow, the more they grow, so we sort of like grow each other like that. And what the time, special time, I'm really enjoying this, and I can't wait until we start this. It kicks off. Thank you so much, everyone.
Nice one.
So
it's a win-win situation. Come and join us. We'll see you inside the group.
Yes.
And we hope to thrive with you.
Yes.
Nice one.
Yes.
Cheers, guys.
Bye-bye.